Hi, in this video I'm going to give you a walkthrough a cryptocurrency portfolio tracking app, and I'm Nikolai, the developer of this application. So let's start. So imagine that you have maybe one Ethereum wallet, maybe one Bitcoin wallet, maybe sometime later you've got also another Ethereum wallet, maybe you've got some coins at some exchange, Binance for example. Maybe you've got something on Kraken, or maybe your wife has something on Kraken, or maybe some other exchange. Maybe sometime later you've got another wallet. Well, the more the better, right? However, when you add more and more assets in different sources, so exchanges and wallets and maybe some other coins, other cryptos, new tokens, what happens then? Of course, you might need a spreadsheet to track everything, and it's good. It's good for some time, up to some point. However, if you really want to track everything, and if you want to know how many coins do you have, where they are, what are the current prices, what's the total dollar value, then you might use something better for this purpose. And let me show you quickly how my application can track for you automatically wallets, exchanges, and some other sources. So give me just 3 minutes and I'm going to show you the quick demonstration of the application. So as you can see here, there are currently, or maybe that has changed when you're watching that, but there are currently 3 sources of your coins, of your cryptocurrencies that you can use to track. One is wallets. So imagine you have Ethereum wallet, Bitcoin wallet, or maybe some other currencies, not on any exchange, and you want to track it. So we just paste the address of that, and as you can see here, there are some sample values here. You can see the summary and the total value in USD dollar. Pretty easy, right? Imagine that there is also something that is not at an exchange. The blockchain maybe is not handled yet here, or maybe you've got just something on piece of paper and you want to remember about that. So we can see there are also example values here, that there are some USDT cryptocurrency added, Tron, yield, with a description, optional one, that makes you remember where it actually is. And the toughest part is getting everything from exchanges. If you want to do it manually, then, well, it's fine. You can also, if you have values and balances that doesn't change often, then you can add them as well here in the free plan. But if you want to have everything automatically synchronized and shown here, you can use as many API keys as you want in the Pro plan. You can see the summary per each exchange. And the best part is, when you go to the summary of everything, it shows you every coin, every cryptocurrency you have listed here, and shown what the percentage of the total value is. So for example, let's see the details about Bitcoin. Where do I have it? Right, so I can see it's on one wallet and at 6 exchanges as well. Pretty easy. And you can, just to get rid of the 2 small values, you can choose to show on a 10 and see some useful charts for that. So for example, where do you keep your assets by the source? Or what's the proportion of altcoin versus Bitcoin and Ethereum? So let's go to the sample, let's take the sample address from Blockchain Explorer as a random one which has some sources there, some value. And let's add it live so we can see how's that working. From blockchain. Okay, as you can see here it's added, and when I go to the summary, it's already added here. So everything is done for you. Okay, so thank you for watching. And if you want to try it for free, then just leave the email somewhere below. There's a link to the registration. You can use the free version for free, and see you next time.